guys, I'm gonna try out these new Taki bags. If you guys haven't seen my first video, go check it out. My username is Angel Naruto, and this is how they look like. That's how they look like. I know they look nasty, but I'm gonna try them out. This is how they look like.
Your tongue, let me see your tongue. Ew!
Ow, it burned! It burned!
Your tongue is super green. Just with one talkie.
And this is my first chip. Hot. It tastes weird, but it tastes good. Guys, if I were you, I don't think you guys should have never got. I don't think you should guys get this. It tastes nasty, and it burns your tongue. I bet you if you eat more, it's gonna burn your tongue even more. Yeah,
It does
so
have
don't.
habanero and pepper. And cheese. That's all freaking diarrhea. You're gonna have choro after this.
So don't get this. Peace.